Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have very nice conditions out there this morning. Drier weather and much more pleasant than we've been dealing with the last few weeks. Saw temperatures in the lower 60s last night. Temperatures will rebound to the 80s today, but with the dew points in the 50s and 60s, you're going to see very comfortable conditions overall across the Mid-Atlantic region today. Looking at our conditions over the last 24 hours, seeing temperatures in the lower 80s across the Mid-Atlantic region here at Wallops through the warm spot at 82 degrees. Last night saw temperatures dropping into the lower 60s to the upper 50s. Salisbury was even in the mid 50s at 55 degrees. Here at Wallops we are at 60 degrees. No precipitation last 24 hours. As of 9 a.m. we are seeing sunny skies across the board. Temperatures rebounding into the lower to mid 70s. Here at Wallops we are 74 degrees under sunny skies. Looking at our sounding from 12 this morning, our freezing level is at 14,100 feet. Our winds are out of the northeasterly component in the low levels from 1,000 to 6,000 feet, around 10 knots, and then seeing our winds more northerly in the mid levels around 5 to 10 knots, and then we see our winds become more northeasterly as we move up in the column to 25,000 feet with our peak wind at 22 knots. Looking at our vegetation or our near IR band this morning, seeing the low level cloud cover off the coast. It's just some cumulus clouds. Not going to see any precipitation in the region today, and just some fairly cumulus clouds developing for the afternoon hours. Also seeing a little bit of cirrus cloudiness streaming over the Carolinas. Our 12Z surface analysis this morning, we have an area high pressure over the eastern portion of the United States. It's going to continue to provide us with very nice conditions in the next few days. We'll finally start to see this fall preview move out of the area and more of a summertime weather pattern return once we get in the second half of the weekend, but until then, looking like we'll have a very nice Friday and Saturday. Our Friday midday planner will have just some fair weather cumulus clouds developing over the Delmarva Peninsula with temperatures in the lower 80s. Fairly light winds with an onshore flow out of the east to southeast about 7 to 12 knots. Seeing our Friday night planner looking at the high pressure starting to ridge further off the coast. It's going to give us a little bit more of an onshore flow for the next few days, and possibly a little bit of cloud cover for our Saturday morning into our Saturday afternoon. Here's our Saturday morning planner, and then our Saturday PM planner looking like going to have a better chance of a ceiling develop around 4,000 feet on Saturday afternoon, but overall very nice day with temperatures in the lower 80s. Looking at our Sunday PM planner, we'll have this area high pressure starting to turn into a Bermuda high as it moves off the coast, and that's going to allow us to have some warmer temperatures move in the region. Temperatures on Sunday rebounding into the mid 80s after we'll see temperatures only getting down to the in the mid 60s on Sunday morning. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a green chart across the board. Temperatures in the lower 80s for highs around 83 degrees. Tonight we'll see a low around 64. As I mentioned, onshore flow day out of the southeast this afternoon around 7 to 12 knots. We'll see the winds becoming light tonight. Out of the east to northeast around 5 to 10 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will have mostly sunny skies today, and then we'll see those low clouds or clouds around 4,000 feet start to build in for our Saturday morning with a scatter deck of 4,000 feet. Also possibility we do have a ceiling developing across the region at 4,000 feet, but overall very nice conditions. Our tides are currently normal. Looking into Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, very nice day once again. Partly mostly cloudy skies, pleasant conditions, high of 80 degrees, green chart. Saturday night we'll have light winds as well as a good amount of low-level moisture across the region. High pressure overhead, so can't rule out some patchy fog developing over the region. That's why we went with yellow here for our visibility less than a mile. And we'll have a low of 65 degrees. Sunday we'll have, as I mentioned, a little bit warmer temperatures. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, high of 85 degrees. With a green chart. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll have very nice conditions overall the next few days. As I mentioned, with that high pressure holding on, seeing Sunday at 85 degrees as we see the low 80s on Friday and on Saturday. So Monday we'll see the beginning of a heat wave across the region. 90 degrees on Monday, 93 on Tuesday, 92 on Wednesday, and then we'll have a cold front moving in for our Thursday, possibly giving us some afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Still a high of 90 degrees on Thursday, as well as higher humidity values all throughout the early portion of next week into the mid portion of next week, with our lows only seeing in the mid 70s to even possibly the upper 70s. So after this nice reprieve we had from the humidity, it will come back and it will feel once again like summer. We'll move into early portion, into the middle portion next week. I'll complete the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. I hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.